To the golden plains of Zimbabwe, a ridgeback roams wild and free, with the spirits of Africa in his stride. He sets off on a journey far and wide. In the land of Caribbean finds his way, where the waters flow and the wild animals play. The sun shines down on his loyal soul as he travels on to Victoria Falls. Behold, O Ridgeback, wanderer of the African lands, your paws carry you to distant sands, from the village lights to the starry skies. You'll forever be the pride of our eyes. Journey on, Ridgeback. Journey on. Zimbabwe with the starry African land above. Oh, 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 oh.